Good morning, students. Today we'll study the 8th chapter of your maths book, Carts and Wheels. This is the first page of your lesson. On this page, you can see some round objects and there are vehicles with wheels of different sizes. 2 carts are also there. Cart is also like a transport vehicle which is usually drawn by animal, or some hand carts are also used. This is potter wheel. Potter wheel is used for making round utensils of ceramics. These are ball, bangles. All these are round objects. So students, looking at this page, you must have come to know that today we will study about the circular objects. Before I tell you about circles, let us recall the different features of geometrical objects. This red shape is of square. It has 4 corners and 4 sides. This green shape is of rectangle. It also has 4 corners and 4 sides. This is triangle. It has 3 corners and 3 sides. And this is circle. Students, a square has its 4 sides equal, but a rectangle has only opposite sides equal. All the sides are equal. Here only opposite sides are equal. Student, a circle has no side, no corner. It's a curved figure. We can find many round things around us. This is upside down of a plate. This is button, bangles, coin. This is disc. And all these are vehicles of wheels of different sizes. All these are round objects which we usually found around us. You can also name more round objects. Students, we can draw a circle with many ways, and one of them is to use a round object and trace a circle with the help of this object. Like we can use button to trace a circle, bangle, coin, and many other objects like lid of your water bottle, ball, plate, ring. Now we will study the properties of circle. O demarks center of the circle. Each point of a circle is at equidistance from a fixed point. The fixed point is called the center of the circle. Center is in the interior of the circle, but center is not a part of circle. Next is radius. The distance from the center to any point on the circle is called radius of the circle. Diameter. This figure shows diameter. A line segment passing through the center and whose endpoints are on the circle is called the diameter of the circle. Chord. This is the chord of a circle. A line segment whose endpoints are on the circle is called a chord. Diameter is the longest chord of the circle. Diameter is also a chord, but difference is only this, that it passes through the center of the circle. That's why it's the longest chord of the circle. Let's once again recall all the parts of the circle. O is the center, OC is radius, AB line segment demarks diameter. PQ is chord. Now quiz time. Answer what they are. First, I am geometrical shape with no corner. Students, I have given this in your assignment and you will write there. Second, I lie in the middle of the circle. Third, I join the center to any point on the circle. Fourth, I pass through the center and touch the two ends of the circle. There is fun game for you. Find the hidden parts of a circle and color them. You can make this grid on your notebook and then you can color the parts of the circle. I have given this also in the assignments. This was all for today's lesson. We shall continue with the next video. Till then, stay safe. Thank you and do all the assignment which we are regularly sending you.